Never beg for attention. Just do 5 things, and they will literally beg you. There is no dignity in begging, no power in seeking validation, no strength in craving recognition. The man who begs for attention has already lost because he has surrendered his worth to the opinions of others, and what is freely given is never respected. But we who walk the path of reason know a different way, a way that demands no approval, no validation, and yet commands the attention of all. The Stoics did not chase admiration. They became the kind of men who could not be ignored. If we master these 5 things, we will never have to seek attention again, because they will seek us one absolute control over emotions. Weak men are slaves to their emotions. They react, they chase, they need. But the Stoic is untouchable, epic, TUS taught. If someone succeeds in provoking you, realize that your mind is complicit in the provocation. A man who cannot be provoked, who cannot be swayed by anger, jealousy, or desperation, such a man is rare, and what is rare is always valuable. Think of Marcus Aurelius, an emperor surrounded by flatterers, traitors, and enemies. Did he demand their attention number? He commanded it by his very nature. He stood unmoved in the face of chaos, and for that history still speaks his name. When we master ourselves, we do not need to seek attention. Our presence alone forces people to take notice. 2. Ruthless focus on excellence. A lion does not ask to be noticed. A fire does not beg to be seen. They are what they are, and the world cannot look away. Seneca wrote, "Associate with those who will make a better man of you. Welcome those whom you yourself can improve." A man obsessed with excellence does not need attention. His results demand it. Do not waste breath asking to be seen. Instead, become someone who cannot be ignored. Master a skill, build something unshakable, become a force. In whatever you do, the world is filled with those who chase applause, but empty of those who deserve it. Be the exception, and when they finally notice, let their attention mean nothing to you. 3. Indifference to approval. The greatest paradox: those who seek attention repel it. Those who do not care for it attract it effortlessly. Marcus Aurelius reminded himself daily, "If it never ceases to amaze me, we all love ourselves more than other people, but care more about their opinions than our own." The moment we stop craving approval is the moment we become untouchable. Imagine standing before a crowd that gossips, judges, whispers. Most will break, will shift, will seek favor, but not us. We remain still, unaffected, as if their opinions were the wind felt, but never altering our course. That level of detachment is power, and power is always noticed. The power of walking away. Nothing is more powerful than a man who does not fear loss. The one who is willing to walk away holds all the control. Most people clinging to relationships, to approval, to status. They fear being forgotten. But the Stoic does not cling. He knows that attachment breeds weakness, and desperation repels all things. Epicurus said, "If you want to improve, be content to be thought foolish and stupid." A man who is willing to lose everything for the sake of his principles is unstoppable. And when people realize they cannot control you, they chase you. Imagine a man who does not argue, who does not beg, who does not explain himself. He simply walks away from disrespect, from mediocrity, from anything beneath him. This is strength, this is presence. The moment we master the art of leaving the world, will fight to keep us 5. The mystery of silence. Weak men talk. To be heard, strong men speak only when necessary. But the rarest of all, the man who masters the power of silence. In a world drowning in, nor noise, the one who speaks less is the one who is listened to the most. Seneca warned us, the more a man speaks, the less he is remembered. Those who constantly explain, justify, or seek to impress reveal their own insecurity. But the man who holds his words, he forces the world to lean in silence. unsettles it, creates curiosity. It builds intrigue when we are selected with our words, when we choose observation over reaction, when we let others fill the void with their own assumptions. We become a mystery, and nothing is more compelling than what is unknown. Speak less, observe more, and watch as the world begs to know more about you. Do these things, and the world will take notice, not because you asked for it, but because they have no choice. If this message resonated with you, subscribe for more wisdom. Keep walking the path, stay disciplined, and remember, true power is never given, it is taken.